Hello guys, so welcome to Q Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this interior over here. That's the restaurant interior. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll make some changes into it. So let's select this. So before that, I'll again go into this and I'll take a swift loop. So let's select this, ring it, select this, ring it, I'll just ring this. So ring, I'll exclude this. So let's select this, select the edges and ring it. I'll press Alt and subtract this whole thing. Okay. So let's click on the polygons and I'll go over here and I'll say extrude. Slightly I'll reduce its size, or instead of that I can use a bevel as well. So if you want to use a bevel, I can go into this and I can use a bevel. So bevel, if you go with a bevel, it's better we extrude it. That would be much better. So let's use some extrusion over here and I'll click OK over here. Let's select the edges. I'll slightly drag it inside. Select the edges and slightly I'll drag it inside. Again I'll go over here and I'll put some loops over here and let's give again a turbo smooth over here. So we can assign a turbo smooth. Okay. Now I'll again go over here I'll convert to poly and I'll go over here and I'll give a FFD box. Let's select this and select this stuff and slightly I can tilt it. You can easily tilt that stuff, push it behind in this way. That looks better now. So again convert to poly. So I'll just end isolate it. And if you want to make some changes over here, we can make some changes. Again I'll go into this and I'll again add a FFD box. Let's give again a FFD box. Let's select the vertices like this, and if you want to scale something, that can also be done over here, that we can do it. Okay, so I'll just convert to poly over here. So let's just end isolate this, and I'll just scale this, and I'll just push this up. Just drag this down, and as we have done this for this, we'll do the same over here. So let's select this. Let's duplicate it. We can just rotate it, push it behind. We can slightly scale this. Okay, now this looks a bit better. Okay. Okay. Much better. So again I'll go over here, I'll mirror it, copy it in y-axis in this way. And same way I can again mirror it in x-axis. So I'll just copy that stuff in this way. So like this, and I can just go over here and I can group it. So let's go to the top view. I'll just place it in this way. I'll go into hierarchy, put it at the center over here. So I can just rotate it accordingly. So I'll just cancel this. I'll just push it more inside. Again I'll go into this and I'll shuffle it over here. Again I'll rotate it. and I'll make a copy of it. Alright, this looks a bit better now. Okay. Now can make the glasses over here. What's the height of it? I hope this is yes, that's perfect. So I'll take a cylinder. Now what I can do over here is like slightly reduce the radius, convert to poly, select the polygons. Let's give a taper modifier. I can slightly add a taper modifier, convert to poly, and we can slightly just scale that. Let's again go into this and add a shell modifier over here. Alright, so convert to poly over here, select this, I'll just exclude this stuff. Yes, I remember that this is pending. We'll complete this, the details over here. I do remember that. So I'll just make the multiple copies over here. So let's duplicate it. Push it over here. Again, I will make a copy over here. Oh, this looks better now. So I'll be making one more copy right over here as well. Okay. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.